Want this? Let's start. Add the video clip from Lisa Shutdown Dance Practice. For this edit, you can also use any K-pop idol or video clip. Clip duration is 4.4 seconds. Now split the video clip in sync to the beat of the music. Clips durations are displayed on the screen. Make sure to put Lisa at the center of the screen. For the zoom out and zoom in transition. For the zoom out, zoom in the video a little bit like this. Add 2 keyframes at the beginning and end. Add another keyframe right near the end, and zoom it out like normal. Then add graph, ease out 1, and ease in 1. For the zoom in the clip a little bit. Add keyframe at the beginning and end. And right near the end, zoom in more like this. And add graph, ease out 1, and ease in 1. Now continue the zoom out and zoom in transition on every clip. For the shadow effect, duplicate the first clip. Add as overlay the first clip. Go to the first keyframe, tap the opacity, and adjust to 45. And zoom in more the first keyframe to create shadow effect. And on the second keyframe, zoom in a little bit the video clip. And adjust again the opacity to 50. Add 0.3 second white photo as overlay on every clip, splice overlay and add animation fade out. When done, remove the music for a while and export. Go back to the project and tap the undo to bring back the music. Add the video clip that was just exported, and add transition inhale under camera, and fade out animation. When finished, export the project. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up to support the channel and help others discover this content.